Am I the only one who doesn't know that creating an attractive thumbnail can get you a lot of views? Well, not anymore, because in today's video, I'm going to discuss 4 tips to help you create a powerful thumbnail too irresistible to ignore. If you are a YouTuber looking for more views and subscribers, then you need to up your thumbnail game. Let's dive into the 4 tips to creating an eye-catching thumbnail that will get you those clicks.
Thumbnail should provoke curiosity. An interesting thumbnail should make viewers think, "What's going on here?" Make them click and want to find out. Thumbnail should carry useful information. Keep it simple, beautiful, and promise to solve problem. Show them why your video is worth watching. Make your thumbnail attractive. If your thumbnail is not attractive, your viewers won't click on it. Take for example the iPhone pack. What draws you to the phone is the pack. The pack attracts the viewers. Make your thumbnail stand out. This doesn't mean a crazy mix of colors everywhere. A little pop of color can do the trick. Just make your design simple, not complicated. Keep your text simple. Using a consistent font and color in all your thumbnail make your channel look professional. An example is VidIQ. When you go to VidIQ channel, you'll find out that all their thumbnail has a background, a blue background, and if you look at that channel, you will see that it's look professional. Your text should be easy to read and attractive. Now go create those awesome thumbnail and watch the clicks rolling in. Remember, if you try every day, you will not miss a lucky day.